Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby. When the music starts, wait 8 counts. Step in place on your left foot, then touch the toes of your right foot down in front of your left foot while turning your knee to the left. Step back to the right with your right foot, then touch the toes of your left foot down in front of your right foot with your left knee turned to the right. Repeat these 2 moves again. Repeat these movements with your right foot again, but this time spin your right hand in a counterclockwise circle, bringing it around so that it stops in front of your chest when you step. Repeat these movements with your left foot as you spin your right arm in a clockwise circle. Jump up to bring your feet apart, then cross your right foot over your left foot and spin to the left until you are facing the camera again. If you are learning the white side, extend your arms out to either side as you jump. If you are learning the black side, extend your arms out to either side as you cross your feet. Kick out slightly to the right with your left foot, then to the left with your right foot, lifting the opposite arm as you do so. Now kick out to the right twice with your left foot. Repeat all of these moves in the opposite direction. Step out to the right with your right foot, then step behind your right foot with your left foot as you swing your left arm from left to right. Repeat this in the opposite direction. Hop on your left foot as you kick out in front of you with your right foot, then bring your right foot down and step behind it with your left foot. Repeat this in the opposite direction. Step out to the right with your right foot, angling it toward the right, then step behind your right foot with your left foot. Now step in place with your right foot, but angle it to the left. Repeat these steps in the opposite direction. While facing slightly to the right, step out with your right foot. Slide your left foot forward, then lift it up, bending your knee and bringing your arms up, then in. Bring your foot back down, then turn slightly to the left and repeat these steps in the opposite direction. When you bring your foot down, lean forward on it and move your arms out to either side, keeping your elbows bent. Then step in place on your left foot before bringing your right foot back to meet your left foot. Repeat these steps in the opposite direction. Jump up and turn so that you are facing the left, pulling your arms out to either side, elbows still bent. Jump so that you are facing the right and pull your arms out to either side again. Jump up again and spin to the left on your right foot until you are facing the camera again. Bring your left foot down, moving your fist slightly in the same direction. Step in place on your right foot and move your fists in the same manner as before. Do this again on the left, then lift your left knee up and stretch your arms out to the left. Bring your foot back down and your arms back in. Repeat all of these moves in the opposite direction. Bring your fists in front of your chest with your elbows out. Hop to the right, bringing your feet together as you move your fists in a half circle to the left. Hop to the left, bringing your fist to the right, then hop back to the right again as you bring your fist to the left and turn your head to the left. Do these moves again to the left, right, and left, then look to the right. While still looking to the right, extend your right arm quickly to the right, then bring your fist back in near your chest. Look to the left as you extend your left arm to the left, then quickly bring it back in. Look toward the camera and extend both arms straight up above your head, then bring them back down near your chest before extending them straight out to either side. Step forward with your right foot as you bring your left arm in front of you, then slide your right foot back and step forward with your left foot as you bring your right arm in front of you. Slide your left foot back and step forward on your right foot again, but this time bring your hands out to either side, keeping your elbows bent. Slide your right foot back to meet your left foot and clap your hands together once. Point out to the right with your right hand as you extend your right foot to the right. While keeping your right arm extended, slide your right foot back in and your left foot out to the left as you point to the left with your left hand. Slide your left foot back in and bring both arms straight above your head, then pull them down as you slide your feet apart. Slide your feet back together and bring your arms up again, then pull them down and slide your feet apart again. Extend your right arm out to the right, then your left arm out to the left. Move your arms out in front of you, then pull them in as you slide your right foot over to meet your left foot. Step forward on your left foot and lean forwards as you move your arms out to either side and back. This step should take 4 counts. Now slide your left foot back to meet your right foot and lower your arms. This step should take another 4 counts. Take a step forward on your left foot and bring your right arm in front of you, tensing your muscles as you do so. Take a step forward on your right foot and bring your left arm in front of you, tensing your muscles again. Keeping your feet in this position, turn to the left until your back is facing the camera and bring your right arm in front of you again. Take a step forward with your right foot and start to bring your left arm up, but then turn to the left, swinging your right arm around until you are facing the camera again.